Guys, welcome back to this channel. It's awesome having you here today. Thank you for always coming back to check every video we drop on this channel. If you are new to this channel, you're welcome. You're super welcome. Don't forget to click on the red subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first person to receive notification from YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch every video we drop. You are super amazing. Thank you so much. So in today's video, I want to just show you something about Payoneer. If you are familiar with your online platform, if you offer service online, you receive money through PayPal, you should know Payoneer because it's a platform where it gives you the opportunity to receive payment in dollars. So today, I want to show you something very important if you are using Payoneer. And if you are connecting your Payoneer account with your PayPal account or your Stripe account, there's something very important. For you to connect your Payoneer account to your PayPal account, if you don't know what PayPal is, PayPal is a platform where you receive payment with, and you can also withdraw your payment out from PayPal down to your bank account, not your Naira bank account, but your dollar bank account, because you have to connect your dollar bank account to your PayPal. And if you're in Nigeria, you should know that there's a limitation for PayPal. Nigerians can't use PayPal because PayPal does not allow Nigeria to create a business account. PayPal is one of the countries that is banned from using PayPal. So the only thing we can use PayPal for in Nigeria is to just receive payment and buy something online, but we can't withdraw our payment or send payment. So we can just receive payment with Nigerian PayPal account and buy something online, but there's a way we create a PayPal account that can receive payment, send payment, and withdraw payment. So I'm talking about how you can connect your Payoneer dollar account to your PayPal account in this video, but I'm not going to be showing you how to connect it. What I'm going to be showing you is that there's a specific bank PayPal accepts if you want to connect your dollar account to PayPal. If you want to connect your dollar Payoneer account to PayPal. So this video is for those that already have a Payoneer account and you also have a PayPal account and you want to connect your Payoneer dollar account to your PayPal so you can easily withdraw your funds from PayPal down to Payoneer. So that's why I'm doing this video. There's a specific bank PayPal accept a specific bank. So I'm going to be showing you this video how to connect your Community Federal Savings Bank to PayPal, because that is the bank PayPal accept. So that's the only bank you can connect to PayPal for you to receive your payment or Stripe. So this video I'll be showing you that. So if you have a PayPal account, you just need to come to the sign up button at the top here. Click on sign up. Give it some time to load. You allow you sign up. Give some time. If you don't have a Payoneer account, you can just come down to the sign up button here and click on sign up. You create an account, follow the process. It's going to ask you who you are, whether you're a freelancer, a digital marketer. So I would advise you to choose freelancing because freelancing is very broad. So you can after clicking on freelancing, you fill the form. You fill the form you want to fill. Then they'll send you verification to your email and boom, your account is created. So I already have an account already with Payoneer, so I'm just going to log in. Let me use desktop site. I prefer using desktop site. Okay, give some time to load. So just log into my Payoneer account. So this is the interface. When you log into your Payoneer account, this is the interface. The reason why you are seeing this, yes, because I'm a old user, I'm not a new user. New users, you won't be seeing it if you just create your PayPal account recently. So it's asking me to take a tour. I don't need to take any tour. So let's go straight to business. Come to the menu at the top here, at the top left corner my screen. Click on menu. You see get paid. Click on get paid. So you can see these two accounts here. You can see you receive a payment and you can see request payment and receive account. So you click on receive account, allow it to load. So You can see here these two accounts. These are two accounts that are going to be created for you in the default. When you immediately create a Payoneer account, this account is there by default too. Side two account, you have a US and a UK account. But you can see in this USA account, you can see new at the front of the US account. You can see new because this is a new account. Why is it new? Because it's a new community federal savings account. This was not the account created for, but I've done my own already. So I've created a request for a federal community federal savings account. So I click on the USA to show you this is the kind of account PayPal accept. This is kind of account community federal savings account. See it here. This is the kind of account they accept, community federal savings account. But you don't have this if you just created your own PayPal Payoneer account, I meant to say. So what you just need is that you just come down here. When you get to this page, when you get to get paid and you click on receiving account, you see this too. You click on USA. So how do you now request for your own community federal savings account? This process does not even take you more than 5 minutes. So all you just need to do, you can see here, having trouble using this receiving account, check out our solution page. Just click on solution page, click on that link, allow it to load. It's loaded already. You can see here, select the issue you are having with your USD receiving account. You can see the first issue. I am unable to use my receiving account with PayPal, Stripe, and other payment provider. You can see the issue that they've stated the issue for. That's the first issue. So that's what you're going. The first option there is what you're going to create. But if you come here and this is not the first, you can search for it in any of the 3 options at the bottom. I'm very sure it's going to be the first. I am unable to use my receiving account with PayPal. So just click on PayPal. You can click on it. You can see. Click on next. Click on next. You can see this space is very, very important. When you get here, it's very important. What's going to happen here is I say close receiving account with the account number and replace it with a new account. So this account number here is the present account number. This account number here is the present account number for the former account. So you want to replace it with the new one. So you can see one thing you should take note that if you already have a PayPal account that you have been using, a Payoneer, I meant to say that you have been using to receive payment from other platform before, don't click close and replace, because if you are expecting payments, maybe you're a freelancer on Upwork and you offer a service to someone or to a company that pays you monthly, by the end of the month, if you close and replace, you won't receive any payments because that account has been closed. So first thing you need to do is to go and disconnect those accounts from the US dollar account you have connected them with. You disconnect them and you inform your clients that wait, I won't be receiving money with this account again because it has been closed. So I'll be giving you a new account you'll be sending money to. But if you have never used your Payoneer to receive any money before, you have not given it to anybody, you have not connected it to any payment platform before, very good. You can just click on close and replace. Shikena, that is all. And immediately you do that, in just few seconds, your account is created already, it has been replaced. And if you are finding it hard to create a PayPal account, you can drop it in the comment section that you are finding it hard. I should create a video showing you how to create a PayPal account. I have a video on that on this channel. You can check the link in the description for you to access the video. But I'll be doing another updated video very soon, showing you step by step how to create a new PayPal account. And if you want me to show you how to link this your Payoneer account, your new Payoneer account, to your PayPal without any stress, also request for that in the comment section. And if you are new to this channel, like I said earlier on, don't forget to click the thumb up, give this video a thumb up, click the red subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you receive notification anytime I drop new videos. And remember to share this video with your friends. There are a lot of people out there looking for this information. I know you already get it already. Just do well by sharing this information with them. Also share this video to them so they can also gain value. And if you know you gain value from this video, invite your friends to subscribe to this channel. Tell a friend about this channel so they can subscribe and also get good content anytime I drop them. And also I'll also be doing another video showing you step by step how to create a Payoneer account. If you want me to do that video anytime soon, you want to watch it, just tell me, please do it on time so that I can work on that and post the video on time. So thank you so much for your time, and once you click close and receive close and replace the account, see, immediately you will receive this account, community trader savings account. Remember to give this video a thumb up, subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification, and share this video with your friends. Thank you.